Sorry guys, but I've not been recording, and he's not been recording. Wait, wait.
I need a break, man.
Yeah, he's not been recording for a month. Go away.
Ow.
That's not anyone. Okay, anyways, we're going to do a house tour.
Did you just see me in the video?
Stop. I was getting out the blanket on the chair. So this is it. So this is a living room.
Stop looking at me.
And this is where I live, because that's why it's called the living room. Get it?
Stop speaking in a French accent.
No. And this is where we play with all the boys. Now I'm dead because I live in there. And this is the bathroom. You should tell you on the top.
Stop recording.
This is where I poo and pee. It's like 1 minute or something already. And this is the dining room. When guests come, we eat there. Yes, but we normally eat over here. Over here. With the washing machine and the oven and the... Now let's go up to the stairs. The upstairs pointers pretty blank. This is my mama's bedroom where she sleeps. This is my bedroom. So my little brother sleeps down here. I sleep here. My brother sleeps up there. With my older one. And that is the guest room. Looks beautiful. But very blank. So guys, it was the end of the video. See you next time then.